Hi, it's Dr. Mo again with the Chiropractic Care Center here in Fairfax. Today we have Emma. Emma is a 9-year-old and she's very active. She plays basketball, she plays soccer. So we're going to go ahead and adjust her manually and then go from there. Alright, Emma, let's go face down. Let's check everything. Emma has practice tomorrow, right? So you've been practicing. She's trying to be a goalie here in soccer. Emma's off a little bit on her lower back here. And Emma has had a cold last couple of days, so she was saying she's been coughing a lot. So deep breath, Emma. All the way out. Good, relax, don't fight it. Good job. Okay, Emma, this side up. Okay, you ready? Deep breath. Good job. That was you and the Hello Kitty. Face this way for me. Ooh, that was a lot, Emma. Facing this way for me. You've been playing a lot of soccer, huh? Sit that way. So we're gonna, for Emma's neck, we're gonna use an Arto step. You ready, Emma? And Emma, just like Isabella, has been getting adjusted a lot since she was a kid. Beautiful. All right, Emma. You're good for another couple months. I'll see you next time.